This is the valley, very steep valley, and the local people, the minority tribes, actually carve out the edge of the mountain and make them into rice field. Now this place is seasonal, so there are 3 seasons or 4 seasons in a year. They can only plant during springtime. All right. For the purpose of photography, we have to go there just the beginning of spring, where they flood the terraces before they start planting. The idea is to go there and play with the reflection of the water against the sky. And if you go there at the right time, the mountain are high enough so that the mist will form the background layer, and as the sun rises, it dissolves into the warmth of the atmosphere. So this is how the terrain looks like. A lot of valley, and against the edge of the valley are all the rice terraces. And over the years, the local government has built up certain areas just to cater to photographers like us. They build platforms and things like that. So it's very interesting. If you take a closer look, so you can see all the rice terraces, the mountainside. The part they are not planted is because they are very arid. Alright, those parts they are planted, the soil are more fertile. The water comes from river streams and rivers, so they drain it down to individual terrace, and then if you go closer, you will notice that each terrace has a notch. All right, and the water will flow from this notch or notches into another terrace further down, and it goes on like that. So these are all mountain and stream waters. And people there live in community like that. This is a smaller one. Sometimes there are some very large one. So it's a very interesting sight to see. And these are the people that have been there for 1,000 years. This is a close-up look of how terraces like that are being built up. Sometimes you get farmhouses and so on. So these are some of the places that have gone there just for the purpose of taking photographs. I'm trying to remember the name. It's 2 years ago. Anyway, this place is one of those places that if you go there, they will bring you to. It's very famous for the sunrise, and it's from a height, almost from the peak of another mountain, and you look down into all the terraces itself. And as the sun rises, the light on which the terrace reflects the sky's color will change, and then as the wind builds up, the texture of the water of the terrace will also change. Unfortunately, the few days that we were there, we couldn't get any mist at all. Otherwise, it would be very nice. So this is how it looks like when it's in the morning. Like all photographic trip, sunrise is very precious. So we wake up very early in the morning. Sometimes as early as 4 in the morning. Then